Good morning, students. After a long period, we are all meet in this class, the ninth class students. Our first lesson is our earth. What we call earth? What is the meaning of the earth? First of all, the earth, the word earth. This word earth is derived from the Greek word earth. Earth. The earth is derived from the Greek word earth. The spelling is Eorthe. The earth meaning ground, soil, dry land. So many words, so many meanings. But in the this earth is Indian language have multiple words for earth. Sanskrit terms. In the Sanskrit, the earth means Bhumi, Prithvi, Dharani, Avani, etc. At the same time, so many Indian languages use variations of these Sanskrit words. Anyhow, the earth is derived from the Greek word earth. The meaning of the earth is ground, soil, dry land. We live on this earth along with millions of years, not only for the we are human beings. At the same time, animals, plants, and microorganisms are all live on the earth. The human beings arrived on this earth about 1 lakh years ago. The human beings arrived on the earth about 1 lakh years ago. For long, we have looked at the earth as a storehouse of resources. We are all thinking, our thinking is a storehouse. The earth is a storehouse. Why we are called earth is a storehouse? On the earth, so many resources are there. What are the resources? Minerals, mines, forests, or others. These things are stored on the earth. So, the earth is a storehouse of the resources. That is our thinking. Finally, our recklessness, exploitation of the earth has meant the destruction of forests, rivers, hills, fellow animals, and even fellow humans. What is our recklessness? We are used the earth, first of all, pollution, that is the water pollution. How the water pollution? Water is polluted. So many factories are release the wastage of the water in the rivers or in the oceans. That's like the water polluted. That's why water is polluted. And the air is also polluted. How? Our vehicles emit the smoke and the what is that? Factories also emitted the smoke. That is the way of the polluted the air. And deforestation, we are all cut the trees and use it to furniture or firewood or any way. So that is the deforestation. What is the result of this deforestation? The result of this deforestation, rains are not coming. There is no rains. When there is no rains, there is no greenery or no water or no our correct lifestyle. At the same time, soil is also spoiled. So these are all recklessness of uh, our recklessness on the earth. Nowadays, we are all suffer from the virus, one type of virus. What is that? Coronavirus. This is the result of our recklessness. Understand? Next. Earth as a large interconnected system, we will see how the rocks, soils, minerals, water, air, sunshine, forests, animals, and humans interact with each other and change each other constantly. Earth is a large interconnected system. We will see what is the interconnection. The connected with the earth, soils. What is the relation between the soil and our soils? These are the croplands or the we are live on the soils. Soils are so many uses for our human life. Minerals, we are all use the minerals. Used the minerals. What is that minerals? Iron, copper, or that is called gold or water. Those are all minerals. We are all digging the earth, digging the soil. The minerals are put out and use that minerals. Water, air, these are all connected with our. Next, coming to our universe, the sun and the earth. Our universe that is called Vishwam, the sun and the earth. For thousands of years, humans have been looking into the sky and trying to understand the objects that sunshine, the stars that remain fixed, each other, and the sun, the moon, and the planets which keep moving across the sky. Actually, so many years ago, the thousands of years or billions of years, our grand ancestors are looking at the sky. What are on the sky? There is shining stars and the moving the sun, moon, and planets. What is the relation between these and our? What is how the impact of our life? Are you understand? మనకి కొన్ని వేల సంవత్సరాల క్రితం మన యాన్సిస్టర్స్, ద గ్రాండ్ యాన్సిస్టర్స్, వీళ్ళు ఆకాశంలోకి చూస్తూనే ఉండిపోయారు. అలాగా ఏంటి అంటే అవి అసలు ఆకాశంలోకి ఎలా వచ్చాయి, అవి ఎలా తిరుగుతున్నాయి ఏంటి అని అలా ఆలోచిస్తూ వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. అయితే వాటికి మనకి ఏంటి సంబంధం? అవి అసలు మనల్ని ఎలా ఇంపాక్ట్ చేస్తాయి అంటే దాని గురించి తెలుసుకోవడం కోసం వాళ్ళు ప్రయత్నాలు చేస్తూనే ఉన్నారు. For this long process, about 500 years ago, scientists came up with a new understanding. Scientists came up with a new thinking or new understanding that the earth is not in the middle of everything. Earth is not in the middle. That is actually moving around the sun. Earth is not in the middle, but the earth is moving around the sun. And the sun is also moving. That the sun itself is also moving. And the countless stars in the sky are actually so many suns. Countless stars are also already, those are also suns. This is the thinking of our scientists. There is, earth is not middle in the sky. The earth is moving around the sun, and the sun is also moving itself. There is so many countless stars. Actually, these stars are also so many suns. Okay, during the last 100 years, our people have even figured out that stars are born, they grew old and even die. During last 100 years, some people thinking, what is the thinking of that people? The stars also grow old and die. Stars are also grow and old and die. పెరుగుతాయి, ముసలైపోతాయి, చచ్చిపోతాయి అనేటువంటిది వీళ్ళ యొక్క థింకింగ్. Scientists have figured out that the stars are actually part of larger group of called galaxies. What is this? Scientists have figured out that the stars are actually part of larger groups called galaxies, and there are millions of galaxies in the universe. What we called galaxy? What we called galaxy? Galaxy means so many stars are in the sky, millions of stars. Those millions of stars, those millions of galaxies are in the universe. Now they are of the view that the universe itself started some 13.7 billion years ago with a Big Bang, and that it may end several billion years later. What is the scientist's view? 13.7 years ago, the universe started. How the universe started? With a Big Bang, and may end several billions later. What is the Big Bang? The explosion of dense matter that, according to current cosmological theories, marked the origin of the universe. That is the Big Bang.